Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV axle on a Subaru Forester. First, gather all necessary tools, including a jack stands, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Before you begin, make sure your Forester is securely supported on jack stands on a level surface. This preparation ensures a safe and efficient repair process. Now, let's get that old axle out. Begin by loosening the lug nuts, then safely raise your Subaru Forester and secure it on jack stands. Remove the wheel, then take off the large axle nut from the center of the hub. Next, separate the lower ball joint from the control arm. With the suspension loose, you can carefully pull the old CV axle free from both the hub and the transaxle. With the old axle removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the splined end of the new CV axle into the transaxle, ensuring it seats properly. Then, guide the outer end through the wheel hub assembly. Reconnect the ball joint and any other suspension components you disconnected. Hand tighten all nuts and bolts for now, making sure everything aligns correctly before final tightening. For the final steps, it's crucial to torque all nuts and bolts, especially the axle nut and lug nuts, to the manufacturer's exact specifications. Double-check all connections for security. Before driving, ensure your transmission fluid level is correct, then take your Forester for a careful test drive to confirm everything feels right. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.